What's up, everyone? Phil back for Replicas of the Past. We're going to do a quick look at this here fella. It's a 1/32 scale set. It's a John Deere 7270R with a round baler. Pictures on the box, inside the box. 2022 release. It's actually a pretty neat little set, I thought. Alright, we'll move on to the star of the show, the 1/32 scale John Deere 7270R and round baler. Alright everyone, I'm back here at the Ertl 1/32 scale set, John Deere 7270R and the 560R round baler. I thought this was a pretty unique looking set, so I grabbed it out at my local dealer a little bit ago. There we go. Straighten up my camera there. The real tractor, the John Deere 7270R, produced by John Deere, was from 2014 through 2019, 7R series. Next tractor in this line was a 7290R. Previous tractor in this series was a 7250R. John Deere manufacturer, Waterloo, Iowa. Price $239,078 in 2014. PTO tested 256 horsepower. Drawbar tested 203 horsepower. That's a pretty husky tractor, actually. Take a quick look at them. We'll start with the baler real quick. The tires are rubber. I like that. The whole thing, though, of its entirety is plastic except for the axle. It feels plastic, it's so light. .560R. Mega wide. John Deere. Slow moving vehicle sign. Flasher lights, brake lights. Pretty neat. It does have a bale in there. Oh, that's plastic. It is plastic. I'll probably just leave it in there for now. There's the inside of it. It's a pretty neat little baler. Get the tractor real quick. The baler does hook up to it right there on that drawbar. Neat little cab and stuff on the tractor. Not bad details in there for 1/32. That's all cast. It's all in the plastic mold in there, so it's all casted together. It looks like, but still not bad. John Deere 7270R. Plastic inserted grill with decal lights. Looks like. Again, this one's all plastic, pretty much. I think, except for that axle. It feels plastic because it's really light. Your tires are rubber. I've seen these tires on other ones I've done videos on recently. Same tire, I believe. There's your wheel. It's a plastic wheel. The front end, front wheel assist. It's got some nice tilt there on the front. Looks pretty good. Not a bad looking little model there, to be honest. Yeah, I seen it at my dealer, and I forget how much it was. It wasn't terribly expensive, so I decided to give it a chance. Thought it was neat. Alright everyone, I'll close out my video. I want to thank everyone that tunes in. This is Phil for Replicas of the Past. You all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.